business owners oftentimes have a lot of questions about contracts. Do I need them? When do I need them? Are they really important? Who should I use them with? Things along those lines. And so I think the answer is yes, you absolutely need them. Who do you need to use them with? I think a good general rule of thumb is you should have a contract for every single relationship you have in business, both internal and external. So internal, are you using any employees, independent contractors, interns, things like that? External, customers, clients, vendors, whatever the case may be. I'm not suggesting that you need a 15-page agreement for every single one of your relationships, but you should put something in writing for everyone, and it's really important because it gets rid of any ambiguity. Most contract disputes come about because people had a handshake deal that wasn't in writing, and both sides remember the terms of the agreement differently. So putting it in writing will prevent that from happening, save you a lot of time and hassle down the road, and prevent a lot of disputes, which measure time and money waste for most business owners.
Make sure you subscribe, like, and add your question to the comments. We look forward to helping you on your entrepreneurship journey to build a feasible, sustainable, and profitable business. So subscribe, and we will see you once again next week.